Hey everyone, today I'm going to run through a brand new feature from Trello. It's just released, it's still in beta, but it's pretty cool from the first look I've just had. So keep watching if you want to see me walk through the new feature and how it can help you. So this is the usual demo board, and if we open up the menu here on the left, we've got a new option, we've got the timeline view. So it's in beta, and it's designed to help you with planning and especially around due dates. So this is what it looks like. If you are familiar with Gantt charts and other tools that have similar views, this should look pretty familiar to you. If not, it's a pretty helpful view for a lot of project planning, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks that have different due dates and different team members and things like that. So yeah, it's really cool that Trello is starting to put this kind of view together, but as I say, it's in beta, so it's an early version, and they are asking for our patience and crucially some feedback as well. So this is the first look, and as you can see here, we've got the dates along the top, and we've got our lists along the left, and in the middle we've got the cards. So at the moment, these will be the cards that have due dates already assigned to them. And if you open one of them up, you can see all the usual information, and on here you'll see a start date box. So this is new, I'm pretty sure this wasn't around the whole time, and this means you can add the dates and it will appear on the timeline. If you want to move these cards around, change the dates, you can do so by clicking and dragging here, and same on the due date. You can't click and drag the whole thing at the moment, but I wouldn't be surprised if that's something that comes out soon. And on the left we have under the list, you can see there's some not scheduled cards. So if you click on this, you can open them up, and you can then open up the card and assign some dates. Just like that. So pretty easy, and then they'll be added to this view as well. So that's the basic overview. On the left we have the list, but you can change this to be other things, so the team member, or a label, or none if you wanted that. So labels look like this, just to give you an idea. And yeah, so you can also change the time frame or the scale, so you can go really granular on day, or you can go further out, so month, quarter even, and out all the way out to year. So that's pretty helpful for planning, and you can navigate like this, or if you have a mouse that can do it that way, you can do it like this too, which is handy. And if you get lost, you can hit today and it'll bring you back to where you were. So that's the basics, that's the overview. I haven't played around with this too much, but that's my first take on it. This is brand new. There is a support or help article here that I'll add in the description of this video if you want to go through this in more detail. But there is one thing in the frequently asked questions that I noticed, that this view is actually only going to be available for business class and enterprise users. So you will need to be on one of those higher tiers in order to see this. And there is a chance that not everyone, even if you're on those tiers, will have access to this view just yet. It might be rolled out on a more gradual basis, but if you do, have a look and see what you think. If you have feedback, send it over to Trello, then they'll make this even better for us. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and hit subscribe, and we'll be rolling out more videos just like this really soon. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time.